What's up, OMG Nation? It's HOG Chapter meeting night. I'm gonna run inside of here, show a little bit of the HOG Chapter. I think I've told you guys once before, if you're around the Middle Tennessee area, this chapter is based out of the Harley-Davidson Cool Springs dealership, the Cool Springs area dealership. We do a lot of fun weekly rides. Sometimes we do day trips, lunch trips. They do a couple of overnight trips. I think they just did a 3 or 4 day overnight trip. They just did a big trip to Sturgis. I had to work. I could not go. So before I get to it, whoa, this is a good place to stop. Before I get to it, let's roll that intro. Yeah, come on. Yeah. We were having a little conversation on the message board inside of our Facebook message board. The link's in the description. Me and a couple of guys from the HOG Chapter. Apparently, every place that we hold our chapter meetings at, when we start having them regularly at this place, for some reason, within 6 to 8 months, they go they go out of business. So I asked the question, and another chapter member asked the question. First of all, he said someone posted that Elliston Soda Shop that we were doing our chapter meetings at went out of business, and then someone posted right behind them, do you guys know any other place that wants to go out of business? That's terrible. I'm not laughing because they went out of business. I'm just laughing because it was just like, really? Are you serious? Another place went out of business? And so I said, I guess we need to, every time we write down our chapter name, we need to put hashtag Black Widows behind it. I really hate that these last couple of places that we've been have been very accommodating to us, which has been cool. But I hate that we seem like I hate that we seem to be the kiss of death for these places. So that being said, if you're in the Nashville area and you would like to go out of business soon, let us know. We'll hold our weekly chapter or monthly chapter meetings over there. I pulled up too far. I passed a little. Dang it. Maybe somebody will pull up behind me. 86 degrees in Franklin. That's not too shabby. I don't even know if I'm going to the right place here. I think I am. I'll find out in a sec. Maybe I'm at the wrong place. So I went to the wrong place. I went over to whatever that wing place is over there, and apparently we're meeting at the brew house in Cool Springs. I'm late. I hate being late for anything. Hopefully, if this ends up being our new destination for our chapter meeting, then this place won't go out of business. Finally, they've got these roads paved. Hopefully it looks like that they're on their last coat. Looks that way. That sure would be nice. There we are. The brew house. was a little bit of the chapter meeting. The Harley-Davidson HOG Chapter 2715, Middle Tennessee, the Cool Springs area. We picked up a couple new members tonight. A lot of fun. There were a lot of folks in there, as you guys can see tonight. It seems like our chapter keeps getting larger and larger, and a lot of good people in there. I'm going to montage it up just a hair. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. I'm going to put a video. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you on the next episode.